Oh my god guys. I can't believe this actually happened. We actually did it. We hit 1,000 subscribers. Even words can't thank you guys. This is really unbelievable. I'm just repeating the same idea because I can't explain how much happy I am to achieve this goal. I'm really growing at an alarming rate. I did not expect this channel to be a successful one. When I created this channel, I made it with a group of friends to see who could get more subscribers. But all of them gave up except for me. This journey was really hard to go through, but at the end I managed to finish it. But we have more to come. When I started this channel I just uploaded random content and just asked random people in Roblox to subscribe to me. I then stopped uploading for a while. I then started uploading Roblox Studio content, which started my channel's real growing. I then started getting real subscribers, not random people on Roblox subscribing to me. I then started researching the YouTube algorithm and now I'm an expert with it. And then I hit 100 subscribers. I then stopped for a while. And then I had my big comeback in October, where I got 300 subscribers in 1 month. I reached 400 subscribers and stopped. 6 months later, and I was back. And that was like a month ago. It was my biggest month on YouTube. I went from 400 subscribers to 1,000. I now feel like I have built a community. I will also make a Q&A video. But I won't make it now because I don't have enough questions. If you are still watching this video, if you haven't already, go to my post where I asked for Q&A questions. I will make my Q&A video after a week, so I will give you all much time to give me questions. Please don't make them personal. So share this video with anyone who wants to grow the potential of me making my Q&A video good. Now it's time to look in the future. We hit 1,000 subscribers on 19th of May, 2023. Let's hit 2,000 subscribers by July, 2023. Now other than subscribers, we have another goal to hit. Since I mostly make shorts content, I will get monetized using shorts first. So please help me reach 10 million shorts views for the past 90 days. In the past 28 days, I got like 60,000 shorts views. Let's double that for the next 28 days, in 19th of June, 2023. I'm getting very emotional while writing this script. Thank you guys so much again. And if you're new, please subscribe to help me reach further goals. Let's achieve more goals together. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you did, comment end 45 so that I know how many of my fans actually cared to watch all of my video. Some fans did not get to watch till the end, but that doesn't necessarily mean they don't care. Maybe they just don't have time for it. I think it is enough for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you are new. Goodbye.